Well, hello. Here goes my outdoor worm bin, and this has a mixture of red wigglers and European night crawlers. And the reason they're in here mixed is because when I sort my castings outside, whatever's left outside are the ones that are going to be staying outside. A lot of spiders in there. Some nice castings going on. Some food scraps that they can consume. But I'm going to let this one just chill out for about another week or till the end of the month. And then I will go ahead and get the castings separated and add these worms back into the bin for now until it gets cold. So I will prepare another bin to save these stragglers for the next season. So once again, here's my outdoor worm bin. Worms are in it. And I'm happy with how these castings are starting to look. So that's about it for now. Have a great day. Bye.